Hi everybody, and welcome to another part of Flexmonster tutorials. Today we will continue learning how to integrate Flexmonster with other charting libraries. This video explains the integration process with FusionCharts. You can look through the list of supported chart types for this library and then explore the available demos on the JS Fiddle, play with them, and get to know the functionality and level of interactivity. After that, you can move on to the integration process. Start with adding the Flexmonster container and Flexmonster library itself to your project. Then add a script with the instance of a component. Don't forget to replace X characters in the license key parameter with your key. If you don't have one, don't hesitate to contact our team and request a special trial key. Now add the FusionCharts library to the project. To provide components with communication method, add our special FusionCharts connector. Create a container for your chart visualization. Now add a report complete event handler that will let us know when a pivot table is ready to pass the aggregated data. And finally, write a function that will get data from Flexmonster, create and update the chart based on that information. Now, everything left to do is simply run the project, and you can play with a fully interactive pivot dashboard. All the changes made on the grid will be visualized on the chart in a matter of seconds. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.